The CenterPointe Apartments is a brand new waterfront apartment community in Altamonte Springs near Uptown Altamonte, with Cranes Roost Lake beside the setting and studio through 3-bedroom residences. A furnished bedroom introduces 16 open-concept floor plans from studios to penthouses, with the CenterPointe Apartments offering studio 1, 2, and 3-bedroom layouts. The kitchen view matches gourmet kitchens with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and open layouts listed among the CenterPointe Apartments residence features. In the living area, select homes feature private balconies with serene lake views, pairing Cranes Roost Lake scenery with bright interiors and everyday gathering space. The bathroom scene reflects wood-inspired flooring throughout and premium tile in bathrooms, plus spa-like options with walk-in showers or soaking tubs available in select layouts. Contact the CenterPointe Apartments, visit centerpointeorlando.com, or call 321-522-4015 for more details.